So this is my teaching website. This is what I used with my class when I taught. It's kind of changed and morphed throughout the past 3 years as I've used it. The first year it was used with my class and mainly for my parents and my students to just find information, and then it became more interactive where students would come here for their flipped lessons in math, and then other things we had expanded into like tech explorations they could do. And then parents still always had the information in the newsletters and different stuff like that. The last year I was teaching, it even morphed into something different because I included our other two fifth grade teachers in on it. So it was kind of a grade level website. So we all collaborated on it. And now, since I'm no longer teaching, it kind of has a different purpose, or it's not even being used for I think fifth grade's still using it to get the flipped math lessons, but it's not being used as far as the interactive piece and the blogging and stuff like that. So I kind of want to change its purpose, and I want to make it something I can use with teachers. Currently, it only has like the past presentations I've given at my school, so teachers can come here and look, but it's not really inviting. And then I have my professional blog where I kind of reflected over new things I tried in the class. And of course, I have my resume up here. So the new purpose I think I want to have is for possible jobs in the future, so they can, one, see my philosophy on education and things I'm doing now at my current job as assistant principal, but I also want them to be able to see the archive of what I've done in the classroom as well. So it's kind of a twofold purpose, and so I'm working with it. I'm kind of grappling, do I want to stick with Weebly? It's very simple and easy to use, but I don't know if it can go much further aesthetically. I'm definitely going to follow the CRAP guidelines, and then I found a site, Color Lover, that I really like that talks about the different colors to use. So I'm going to work with it and try to figure it out, and hopefully by the end of the week we'll have an after shot of what the website looks like as well. Alright, so this week I'm kind of reflecting on my blog, my Coattail blog, and looking at it with a critical eye. And I picked this template because I liked how simple it was. It was very simple, but it also, because I'm a visual person, it had the visuals of kind of a key image for each blog post, which I really liked. But I don't know now if I'm really digging the big picture. I don't know if it takes away from all the other entries or if it highlights. I'm kind of still debating that. And one thing I'm going to look for another template or try to design one, because the top of the page where your eye goes first really just has, the title and how to connect with me. But it's the bottom that has, some information that people might want to, where did people comment, or which posts are recent, and my different tags. And I think maybe that would be more useful going along the side in a column. So that's one thing I'm looking at. The color, initially I just picked it because purple's my favorite color, but looking at it, it's kind of, I don't know, it doesn't seem very professional, which this is a professional blog, so the purpose, I want it to, match what people are seeing. So that's something I could change. But yeah, so that's kind of just my first reflection, and I'm sure as I go through and try to tweak it and change it, I'll have a lot more reflections. But yeah, so this is my Coattail blog beginning.